Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BMO Bank's routing number. A routing number is a 9-digit code used to identify financial institutions in the U.S. for things like electronic payments and check processing. It's important to have the correct routing number for your specific bank and transaction type to ensure your money goes to the right place. The most common routing number for all BMO personal bank accounts is 0710256661. This number is used for many standard transactions, including direct deposits and domestic wire transfers. You can usually find this number on your checks, in your online banking portal, or by contacting BMO directly. It is worth noting that while 0710256661 is the primary routing number, there may be other numbers used for different purposes or for older accounts. If you are ever unsure, the best practice is to confirm the number with BMO Bank for your specific transaction. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.